Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Gala Games price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Gala Games chart, which at the time of this recording is holding above the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. We have also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, where we had been seeing a bit of a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2, in a move that has now managed to get into the minimum retracement area within this red target area, in a move that has now given us a low at around the $0.03867 mark, and there are high chances that we have now bottomed out in the formation of this wave 2, and we are now ready for that massive run up to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3. And all this is playing out after we fully peaked in that first wave to the upside in a move that gave us a high at around the $0.04267 mark. And before I get further into the technical analysis to give you the short-term scenarios and also sketch my target areas to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to first give you a recap of what has been happening, where you can see that we had been seeing lower prices in this higher Elliot wave count 2 of this Elliot wave structure right here in blue, in a move that managed to get into the minimum retracement area highlighted here on the charts using this blue target area. And having seen the low for that second wave, whatever we expected next was the start of an impulsive wave in the formation of the wave 3. And in the formation of the wave 3, which is an impulsive wave, I'm also expecting to see a 5-wave structure in formation, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas and also giving us the high for that larger Elliot wave count 3 to the upper side. And it is this micro Elliot wave count within the formation of the wave 3 that is going to give me the short-term scenarios, and I believe that is the move that is playing out here on the Gala Games chart, where you can see that after seeing our low in this wave 2 within the blue target area, we saw that 5-wave structure to the upside, having the wave 5 giving us a peak at around the $0.05102 mark, and also completing that first wave to the upper side before we started a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, in a move that managed to get into the minimum retracement area in the formation of this wave 2, which is marked here on the charts using this white target area. And having seen the low for this wave 2, whatever we expected next was the start of an impulsive wave in the formation of the wave 3. And because of the impulsive nature in the formation of the wave 3, I'm also expecting to see another micro Elliot wave count within that wave 3 to the upper side, where you can now see that on the charts I have this Elliot wave structure in white, where we have now peaked in that first wave, seen a corrective structure in the wave 2, and now my primary scenario is that whatever we are seeing is the formation of this wave 3, and sketching out a target area in the formation of that wave 3 using a trend-based Fibonacci, connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. That now gives me a target area in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.04963 mark. And that is the minimum that I'm expecting Gala Games to do here on the short-term scenarios in the formation of this wave 3. And for that move to also play out, there are key moves that we need to keep an eye on. And the first one is that we need to continue holding above the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart and also on the 4-hour chart, so that they can continue acting as support for us to continue gearing up. And once we continue gearing up, I'll be watching for a break above the wave 1 high of this Elliot wave structure right here in white, which lies at around the $0.04267 mark. And the moment we manage to break above that, then there will be high chances that we are going to also break through our resistance zone at around the $0.04336 mark. And the moment we manage to break through that, then we can expect a successful retest. And once the retest is in and a success, then we can continue gearing up to fully maximize our minimum target areas in the formation of that wave 3. We also need to be prepared for a worst case scenario in case the breakdown continues, and in case the breakdown continues, then I'll be expecting this red target area to continue holding, and the target area is between the $0.03943 mark and the $0.03756 mark. And as long as we are holding within this red target area, the trend is still up, and soon we are going to see the reversal within the red target area and continue gearing up in the formation of that wave 3. So that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios. And also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 49 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.